Creating discussions is a great way to let your students have some asynchronous conversation about the topics that you cover in class. To create a discussion, you just click on the discussion tool and then create topic. There's 3 types of discussion topics that we can create. One is a threaded topic, which allows students to respond to each other and is probably the most familiar form of forum communication on the internet. This is also the most widely used option within CU Learn. You could also create a blog topic, which would allow you to post a topic and students could respond and comment on what you've posted, however they wouldn't be able to reply to each other. The last option is a journal topic, which is going to keep things more private between just you and the students wouldn't be able to see what each other had posted. But since this is the most widely used, we're going to go ahead with threaded topic and click on Next. Here it's asking us for a title and description, so I'll go ahead and type those in. Once you have that typed in, let's scroll down to the grading options. As a default, the discussion topics are not gradable. However, if you wanted to give a grade for participation or for content, you could easily do that. You would just click on Numeric Grade, Alphanumeric Grade, or you could link it to a grading form that you've already created. I'm going to give this a numeric grade out of 5 points. And the column title is the same as my discussion title, but I'm going to change it so it says Disc 1, Discussion 1. And as I've mentioned before, I don't check this box that allows CU Learn to automatically release grades to students. Again, I like to do that myself manually so I have a chance to double check everything. If we expand on peer review, we see that we can allow students to grade or rate each other on their responses. And looking at topic behavior options, I have different options for students posting and replying to each other. I can also determine whether or not I want the students to be identified by their names or if I'd like them to remain anonymous. When you're finished with all these options, click Save, and you'll see our discussion listed here. If you click the action link to the right of the discussion title, you'll see that we can go to the topic, we can edit the properties and make any changes we want to, we could hide or show the discussion, we could show other places in CU Learn where we have linked to this discussion, which we haven't done yet, and we could also set release criteria, which again we talk about in a different video. You could also delete the topic from here, as well as deleting it by checking the box and clicking Delete. Let's look at the student view. Now let's click on Discussions. There's our topic. As a student, you would click right on the topic, and to reply, click Create Message. Students can then give their reply a subject, insert the body of the message, and even add attachments if they want to. They then have the option to post their response or save it as a draft for later.